Most travelers believe carry-on rules stay the same year after year, but 2026 is quietly rewriting that assumption. Behind boarding gates and security scanners, airlines and regulators are tightening limits, changing enforcement methods, and redefining what is truly acceptable inside the cabin. New carry-on rules for 2026? Here's what's actually changing is not about online rumors or exaggerated headlines, but about the real policy shifts already impacting passengers worldwide. Before stepping into the terminal, understanding these changes could save time, money, and unnecessary stress. And now is the right moment to prepare. Before continuing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth travel updates and essential flight insights. Rule number 10. Carry-on size limits are now enforced with zero flexibility at the gate. In 2026, carry-on size rules are no longer treated as general guidelines. Airlines have introduced uniform enforcement systems that remove discretion from gate agents entirely. Metal sizing frames are now positioned not only at check-in counters, but also directly at boarding gates, meaning bags can be rejected at the final moment before boarding. Any bag that fails to slide into the frame without pressure is considered oversized, even if it passed on previous flights. This includes side pockets filled with chargers, jackets, or food items, which often cause last-minute issues. Travelers are increasingly facing forced gate-checking fees simply because the bag expands slightly when full, turning packing strategy into a critical part of travel preparation. Rule number 9. Carry-on weight limits are being digitally verified more than ever. Airlines in 2026 are placing a stronger emphasis on carry-on weight, especially on international routes and smaller aircraft. Lightweight-looking bags are no longer assumed to be compliant. Portable digital scales are now being used at select gates, and this practice is spreading rapidly. A carry-on that exceeds the allowed weight, even if it fits perfectly in the overhead bin, can be denied cabin access. This change directly targets passengers who pack dense items such as electronics, power banks, books, or camera gear. The result is a growing number of travelers being charged unexpected fees or forced to repack at the airport floor, creating delays and stress that did not exist in previous years. Rule number 8. Personal item size is shrinking, while enforcement is expanding. One of the most overlooked changes in 2026 involves personal items. Airlines are quietly reducing acceptable dimensions for backpacks, laptop bags, and purses, while simultaneously enforcing these limits more aggressively. Items that once fit under the seat without issue are now being measured against stricter templates. Overstuffed backpacks, especially those with rigid frames or thick padding, are increasingly classified as secondary carry-ons. This leads to penalties for travelers who believe they were complying by limiting themselves to one suitcase and one small bag. The shift reflects airlines maximizing cabin space and reducing boarding delays, but it places greater responsibility on passengers to reassess what truly qualifies as a personal item. Rule number 7. Smart luggage restrictions are expanding beyond batteries. Smart luggage rules in 2026 extend far beyond removable lithium batteries. Airlines are now examining embedded electronics, tracking modules, and internal charging systems more closely. Bags with non-removable power components are being rejected outright by several carriers regardless of battery size. Even when batteries are removable, travelers are often required to demonstrate removal at security or the gate. This creates confusion for passengers who purchased expensive smart luggage under older rules. As enforcement tightens, many travelers are discovering that convenience-focused luggage can actually increase the risk of delays, confiscation, or forced checking during boarding. Rule number 6. Liquids are still restricted, but enforcement is becoming more precise. Although liquid limits appear unchanged on the surface, 2026 introduces more precise enforcement using advanced scanning technology. New security scanners can now detect liquid volumes more accurately, reducing guesswork and increasing confiscations. Containers that slightly exceed limits are no longer overlooked, and improperly sealed bags are being flagged more frequently. Travelers carrying multiple small liquid containers often find that cumulative volume draws attention, even when individual items appear compliant. This change reflects a shift toward automation, where human judgment plays a smaller role, making strict compliance essential for avoiding delays at security checkpoints. Rule number 5. Overhead bin space is no longer guaranteed, even for approved carry-ons. In 2026, having an approved carry-on bag does not guarantee overhead bin space anymore. Airlines are openly prioritizing operational efficiency over passenger convenience, which means bins are being reserved earlier for crew equipment, medical kits, and priority boarding groups. Even compliant carry-on bags are frequently being gate-checked once bins fill up, especially on fully booked flights. This change disproportionately affects passengers boarding later groups, regardless of ticket price. Airlines justify this by citing safety and turnaround time, but the result is a growing number of travelers losing access to their bags mid-journey, often without clear communication or compensation. Rule number 4. Carry-on contents are being flagged, more often by AI security systems. Security screening in 2026 relies heavily on artificial intelligence to analyze carry-on contents. These systems flag items based on shape, density, and placement rather than simple category rules. Everyday objects such as food containers, toiletry kits, layered electronics, or tightly packed clothing can now trigger secondary screening. The issue is not the legality of the item, but how it appears inside the bag. Poor organization increases the likelihood of delays, bag searches, and missed boarding calls. As scanners become more advanced, travelers are expected to pack in a way that machines can interpret clearly, making packing structure just as important as what is packed. Rule number 3. Regional and budget airlines are introducing stricter cabin limits. In 2026, regional and low-cost airlines are enforcing carry-on rules far more aggressively than major carriers. Smaller aircraft have limited overhead capacity, leading airlines to impose stricter size and weight thresholds. Bags accepted on long-haul international flights may be rejected on short regional connections, even within the same itinerary. This inconsistency is catching many travelers off guard, especially during layovers. Airlines place responsibility entirely on passengers to understand aircraft-specific rules, making it essential to check carry-on policies for every segment of a trip, rather than assuming uniform acceptance. Rule number 2. Gateside repacking is being discouraged and penalized. Airports and airlines in 2026 are actively discouraging passengers from repacking bags at the gate. What was once tolerated is now seen as a disruption to boarding flow. Some airlines impose penalties or immediate gate checking when passengers attempt to remove items to make bags compliant. This change is designed to speed up departures but leaves travelers with little room for correction if a bag is flagged late. The pressure to comply before reaching the gate has never been higher, turning early preparation into a necessity rather than an option. Rule number 1. Carry-on rules are now treated as contractual, not flexible guidelines. The most important change in 2026 is how carry-on rules are legally framed. Airlines increasingly treat these rules as binding conditions of carriage rather than flexible guidelines. This means disputes at the gate are resolved in favor of the airline, not the passenger. Complaints based on past experiences or inconsistencies are rarely accepted. Once a rule is enforced, compliance is mandatory and refusal can result in denied boarding. This shift reflects a broader move towards strict standardization, placing full responsibility on travelers to understand and follow carry-on policies exactly as written. Carry-on rules are no longer small details that can be ignored at the airport. In 2026, these policies directly affect boarding access, unexpected fees, and even the ability to stay on schedule. Every rule covered in this video reflects a broader shift towards stricter enforcement and reduced flexibility across airlines worldwide. Travelers who understand these changes before reaching the terminal are far more likely to avoid stress, delays, and last-minute surprises. Stay informed, travel prepared, and continue following future updates so each journey begins with confidence rather than confusion.